Hi guys, so this week we are at a beautiful dome, a Soviet dome. It used to be a bathhouse, and there's quite a few shots in here that I would like to get today, but the two main ones I want to focus on. And the first one is actually going to be just outside this building here, just outside the front. I think the face of it is really nice. I'm going to show you some of the shots and some of the things that we're going to do, but not just that. We're also going to be looking at using two different lenses to capture these shots. So first of all, I've lined up one here. I'm going to show you now. I don't know what you've been told, but this here is not your home. You want some trouble, you want some. Okay, so before we even enter the location, and it's got this amazing, the spa centre here has got this amazing dome, which is part of the old entrance, I believe. But the sort of entrance to that, that front porch, or the front area of this dome, is these lovely columns set back, and you can see the depth to it as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly grab a shot of this, because I feel like it's something that might make quite an interesting looking shot. So one of the things I want to do is I want to fill the frame with the composition. I think here, potentially, we don't really see, we don't really get all of that composition that we want. We don't fill the frame enough. So I think what I'm going to do first of all is step further forward. So let's do that. Similar composition, same thing. Straight away it's a lot nicer. I like what I've tried to do here is I've tried to line up my composition with the top, so you've got this kind of like the little bits that are jetting out on the roof, on the ledge there, and if I lift my lens up a tiny bit, you've actually got a complete composition there. So I'm going to actually say that is the photograph. Easy shot that shows off the architecture and the dome inside really well. 3 brackets, F8, ISO 50, easy. My brackets are split 2 stops apart, so really easy stuff. I'm shooting on manual. I think it looks good, it's a nice one. When I combine that together, it looks like a really nice photo. That is it, so I'm gonna then bring my camera inside of the dome, and we're gonna capture a landscape shot inside as well.
I know you meant it well. We're lying in a bed of good intentions. I know you couldn't tell. You were playing with a certain kind of poison. Under every kiss, the taste of it lingers on my lips. So bittersweet, I can't resist, can't resist. Every touch is a mistake, but I don't know if I want to escape. So I pull you closer into me, into me. You're a beautiful danger, falling for a perfect stranger. You've taken me for a ride. You're an innocent criminal in the garden of fallen angels. I lay right here by your side, dead or alive.
So I've come inside. I really like it in here. The light of tonight is brilliant. In this location, you have to come really later in the day, or on an overcast day like we've got today. It's still hot, but it's an overcast day. And the reason for that is because the light sometimes comes in via the hole in the top of that dome and just casts an awful sort of bright spot on some of these columns. Today we haven't got that, thankfully. So I have a nicely lit scene, which is brilliant. All I'm doing here is I'm going to get a nice landscape orientation shot, lifting my lens as much as possible, and that's going to be my photograph. 3 brackets, exactly the same as before. I've composed it so that the doors, there's a door on the right and a door on the left, and I've tried to line them up with the 4 columns. I'm trying to fill the frame a little bit with some of the floor space as well, because I like the way that some of the floor here kind of creates a nice interesting pattern so that it makes some foreground interest. So I'm using that. And then I'm focusing on the beams, so literally just one of these beams here. It's a third of the way in, it's actually more than a third of the way into the scene, but everything will be in focus. F8, and that's my shot, so I'm going to take that one now there. A simple shot, but I really like it and it'll come out nice. I've shot this place actually in a few different directions. I've done this way before, I've come from the front this way. This is one I've never actually taken before in this direction. Usually I've either got people with me or it's just something I've forgotten to do. So it's nice to be able to capture a shot in this way.
After all, sleeping by the tree of good and evil, you're the pride before the fall, and I'll take the leap of faith even if it's fatal. Under every kiss, a taste of it lingers on my lips, so bittersweet I can't resist, can't resist. You're a beautiful danger, falling for a perfect stranger. You've taken me for a ride. You're an innocent criminal in the garden of fallen angels. I lay right here by your side. You're a beautiful danger.
Okay, so I think that's everything for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Make some comments below so we can have a little discussion. Community's starting to grow, so it's nice to see, but also please do hit the subscribe button because we've got lots more content coming in the next few weeks from here in Georgia. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next week. Take care.
I lay right here